Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I am here with a new case study regarding the Google Ads disapproved for compromised site and unreliable claim. Okay, this was an initially, when the client came to us, had two issues. Number one was unreliable claims. Also, the number second was compromised site. There was, another issue came on past violation, which we told that past violations are the old violations which would happen on an ad, but they do not cause you an issue in running your ads. But while in the process, we were able to get the account ads up, back up and running. And still, then after this, like a few days, and the account was got suspended for circumventing system. So the third thing which came to us was after even restoring, the ads were being disapproved again, and then we also got a Google Ads account suspension, which was with the circumventing system, which was being on the account. So it was now three things happening on an account. Your Google Ads account is suspended for circumventing system, your ads are being disapproved for compromised site, and your ads are being disapproved for unreliable claim. So if you ask me, it took us a lot of time, probably a month, to get it back up and running. We did various things. We did so many checks. We did a lot of things to get the account back up and running. We did a lot of stuff in getting the ads which were disapproved to back up and running. As a Google partner company, we have a dedicated support, so that also helped us. And again, my team, who constantly work 24/7 to ensure that the client gets uninterrupted ads being shown. So it's always a team effort, so I like to give the credit to my team. So let's get started on this case study and how we help the client. Now, right now, you can see the client is now spending money. The ads are being, you can see still matched with my date. So yeah, we are now getting clicks. The account is now, and if you look around on the notifications, you can see that the account is unsuspended and the ads are being approved as well. I'm going to show you along with the appeal history as well, but first thing first, I'm going to show you a few things which we did on an account, so you guys have an idea on what kind of things we did. So let's get started on the things we did. So okay, I'm going to open the documents I have compiled. So, this was the first time, when the client came to us, and, my team worked hard and figured out few things on the account. The first thing was the website page speed was very slow. There were a lot of dead links because we have around a 130 plus step checklist for Google Ads disapproved, and we got it by combining the Google Ads and Google Merchant Center accounts disapproval checklist, and we made a new list for Google Ads disapproved, through which we help clients for whose ads are being disapproved for any reason. We help them. So we find dead links issues, and we also suggested them few more pages are required on your website. Some suggestions for social media, contact information, some changes for UI, UX, user interface of the website, then a robots.txt file. This was, the first stage. And while, it was done, one of our staff member also was in contact with the Google team regarding the manual review of the account, so we can get it up and escalate it and get it back up and running. So second thing was, there were a few things. There was a reply, there were some improvements. 30, you can see over here, the improvements were slowly, gradually happening on an account. There were some live stream issues, then the page speed also was improved, but still, having an issue. Then, plagiarism issues over there, we also discussed. We did a website report, we did a malware scanner, we did an hardware scanner, we did, because the compromised site, also if you see a Google Ads compromised site, that means that your website may have an issue, like a malware scanner or virus, or your website is going to another page which can, directly or indirectly affect the end user, and Google is very concerned regarding the quality of the content. So they were, and so we were very concerned. We did various checks over here as well. We, looked on the SSL, we looked on the broker links, we did a website audit, we did the Google Ads account. And now the third thing was, while doing the changes, because not all the changes were done by ourselves, but the client handled it. Also, we also, sometimes help our client in doing the changes. The website, eventually got crashed. And that is where the bad things happen, because at that moment when the website got crashed, our account was being suspended for circumventing system. And now here, when we were solving those two issues, now the third issue was came, well, like our ads account being suspended for circumventing system. And it was a very tough moment, and the client also lost patient at that moment, because that was a converting point over there. Then we discuss with them, and we finally get the website back up and running. Once the website, again with the support of the client and their team as well, their team also helped us in sorting out these issues. Now I'm going to show you that also I've shown you that the account is unsuspended. Now I'm going to show you on the policy manager the past history. So uh, you can see over here that you don't have any policy issues now. Okay, that is a very good thing that we do not have any policy issues now. If I move you to the account history, and I'm going to make myself even shorter, you can see over here that we got this compromise site successful. The second was unreliable claim, which was got failed, but we tried on doing it, but it was not being sorted from over here. So again, manually through the Google support. And if I show you the ads, and you can see that the ads are eligible and no such error is being shown over here as well. So also the client also was very like what we did on an account and how we got it sorted. So again, it's always a team effort. We looked around on the 130 plus steps checklist. We did worked on your ad copies, we worked on your website, and once everything was sorted, we had a huge discussions with the Google Ads team. We also compared approved websites in your region, your competitors. We also discussed them with the Google. And yeah, finally, after a lot of work, after a lot of mutual consultations, discussions, and it took us a lot of time, and our client knows it as well, that it took them a lot of time. And that is how we were able to get the ads being disapproved approved, and the account being restored. So yeah, you can still see, if you right now, if you see the spending is over here, you can see the spending right now, you can see everything over here. So in case if you need, if your Google ads are being disapproved, if your Google ads account is suspended, if your Google merchant center account is suspended, Facebook ads account suspended, if you need help in those, if you need help in management, if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or SEO services, if you need, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started with us. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video. And if you want to see more videos and case studies like this, I want you guys to make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching this, and I hope you find it helpful. But still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.